What's poppin', boys and girls? This your boy Too Sly, aka the Slap God, Dr. Dre Wasemakasane. We again. Without wasting any further time, today I'm gonna be teaching the basics because I feel like before you get advanced stuff, you need to learn the basics, the foundation. So today I'm gonna teach you how to record vocals in Fruity Loops FL Studio. So it's gonna be me teaching you how to get signal from your mic directly to your audio interface, which is your sound card, and then to your computer, and then from your computer back to your monitor so that you hear sound of whatever that you've recorded, right? Stay with me. Before I start showing you ukuthi like uthola signal kanjani in terms of the vocals, I want to teach about a few stuff, like just 5 icons before. We're not gonna dive deep. These are 5 icons. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 icons. They are very important. I use them like 60% of the time. So let's begin. This one, it's arrangement icon. This is where you arrange your beats. Like your stuff, especially a composition. When we are creating a beat, this page is where we lace. Maybe sounds good. Okay, this is a shaker, and then here the kicks. I'll explain to that later. Go tutorial your production, right? Let's jump on that one. It's not important for now. And then this second icon is for piano roll. This is where, again, composition. When you record vocals, you don't really need this section unless you're trying to be creative, you're coming up with something. I digress. I'm feeling your section, but this is where you like draw your chords, and you can just lace stuff the way you let me switch off that metronome. Right, this is like the playlist where you draw your chords and whatever. And then this is like your channel rack. I like it gakulu for the drums. When you draw like drums wako, let's say go playlist, go piano roll, you've drawn your chord, now you want to add drums. So I'm just gonna show you like an example of like how that works. I know this is gonna sound very ridiculous, but for tutorial's sake, there's nothing like that. Wow, that was a weak beat. But anyway, let's continue. Right, this is a channel rack section. Then this is the one, the very important one. This is where the magic lies. This is like your mixer channel. Right, let's pass that for now. And this is where you get your drums. You can select either loops. Let's check if you can get something, yeah, or your kicks. This is that section where you get your drums, specifically sounds that you want, and then you drag and drop them here on the the channel rack, like I just did there. So that's not important for now. Right, now that you know what the purpose of listening to Z5 is, now you know the purpose of these 5 icons. Let's continue. Right, how to get signal, microphone, record vocals. You want to make sure that you have a beat. I assume you have a beat. Let's drag in a beat just for tutorial's sake. Boom, and then the beat is there. As you can see, the name of the beat is called Step Outside. Obviously, you have to tweak it into tempo. I'll teach about locking your beat, tempo in a beat, like good session. That's very important when it comes to mixing, especially for delays and reverbs. You need to know the timing. So let's pass. Now that we know Uguti Step Outside is the name of the beat, is a Lagu mixer. Right, we open up this section, and then we open up this section as well, the channel rack. And then we're gonna say all, because I want to see everything. You can delete all these stuff, these kits here, because you might not even need them if you have like a 2-track beat. Then the name of the beat is Step Outside. There it is. But I want you to pay attention to something. Go Fruity 20. This thing in here, when it's like in a dot, so it means it doesn't belong anywhere. Mixer. So you will see mang move go 1, it's gonna jump here, mang it's 2, and then you'll see. So 1, 2, 3. So now it gives you allowance to pick specifically ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthi beat yakho ibe ku channel 1 or ibe ku channel 2. But mina, preferably, what I tell my students, I always tell them ukuthi let your beat, especially if it's like a 2-track beat, stereo, maybe the beats that you downloaded or your producer, we produce and then send it. Let it be good channel 1 so that it's easier for you. Now that it's good channel 1, you left click there and then right click, rename. same beat. Boom. You see? Maingenile ila. When you press play, it's gonna play here. Where's that thing song? Right. As we can see, the beat idlala ku channel 1. Yeah, see Gaene Gama, he writes everything is fine. Then insert 2, this is what I would normally use for vocals. I would say boom. Let's say for vocals to mic, because this is where I'm gonna record. Every time I record, I'm gonna click that section, and then this is where I get signal. Fine, but because now I haven't link in sound card yam ne Fruity Loops. This is the part lang in kombisa kona how to do that. Since you are here, when you press play, you can see the beat is picking it. I'm sure because see dealer from the channel rack. Perfect. Sizoza go options, audio settings. Boom, we get into this section. It's not really complicating. This is like basic stuff, and I need you to pay attention to this one. Is very important. Now, depending ngegama le sound card yakho, maybe you are using M Audio, maybe you are using Focusrite, just like I do. I'm using Focusrite. Maybe you are using another brand, maybe bayibizani konzela abo Behringer. There's a lot of options in the market with my sound card. I'll also create probably maybe a video and advise you which one is the best audio interface sound card according to my preference based on experience, as I've been doing this for years. So first things first, those are good device. You click good device. Direct sound devices. This is now, I'm assuming you have monitors, you've plugged in ama XLR cable wako lapha kuma behind your sound card, the left, the right. If it's plugged in into your sound card, you just click the name. Obviously, we install iphuma nama drivers. You install the drivers, and then it's now being picked up by the PC and even Fruity Loops. So when press the device, it's gonna show the name of if it's M Audio or TM Audio. But in my instance, I'm using Focusrite. So I'm gonna click Focusrite, direct sound, Focusrite. Boom, there it is. Change it, Focusrite. Now mango press play, ngizova sound from my monitors, and then I'm gonna click there. Azure devices. Right, this one is very important. This is the one that links your microphone in the Fruity Loops. FL Azure, Focusrite, USB Azure. I'm gonna select this one because I'm using what? Focusrite. Boom. Now I'm gonna have signal coming in, but not yet, because there's one more step that you need to do. Uzozalana go. You see the section. Make sure that you still click in here under mic. You're just gonna press Unan. It depends on sound card to sound card. Amanyama sound card have got like 5 channels, 6, 3, 2. Mine has 2. So, and the microphone le currently enkhuluma ngayo ngiplug ku channel 1. Like this first input yokuqala, the input number 1. So I'm gonna click there. Boom, and as you can see, we are getting signal right there. We both have the beat and the microphone. So let's just try and record something quick. And then you're gonna record. And then you're gonna try and record something. Let's say everything. Then woo, hey, mic check. Yeah, as you can hear, as you can see, ngwazi ukurecorda phezu kwebeat. Hey, let me turn that thing off, because like wow, feedback ininzi. Boom. Right, as you can see, my audio is there. Let's play it back. Click on channel rack, and then this is the one, Untitled. As you can see, Untitled 2.9, Untitled .2. So this is the one. So I'm just gonna normalize. I'll teach about normalizing. It's very important. It's really that simple. So now that you have your microphone ku channel 2, I want to show you something good to my vocals. So obviously BTA to go channel 1, our microphone go channel 2, the signal, the audio clip is got to be recorder. I told you that my now lama dots, it means it belongs nowhere. So yeah, you just click there, or you can just move it bam, and then go 3. That's when you start here. And then you say vocals, maybe ungathi chorus, depending on how you name. Boom, press play. You see, these are my vocals. It's really that simple, guys. And then from here, this is where also add like your EQ equalizers and whatever that you wanna add. Of which that's mixing now. But like this is a simple step, very basic. I just felt like I needed to teach somebody without wasting any further time, boys and girls. This is your boy Tusla, aka Slap God. I'm signing out. Peace.